Today we're checking out the Piglet from Midwest Gadgets. I have the fully assembled version here, so you'll get a good look at the device, the design, and everything that comes with it. The Piglet is a small, compact Wardriver built around the Seed Studio ESP32C5. That means it can scan both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, which is really impressive for something this small. It also has built-in GPS. Everything can be saved to a micro SD card in a Wiggle-compatible format, making it easy to upload your results later. On the front, you also have a small OLED display that shows the scan status, device information, and how many networks have been detected. The Piglet also includes its own web interface. From there, you can start and stop scans, check the device status, manage files, change settings, and upload your results. It can be used as a completely standalone Wardriver, but it also supports ESP now. That means it can work as a scanning node with compatible devices like the Biscuit Pro, giving you the option to run multiple devices together and cover more channels. There are also two different ways you can buy it. You can purchase the DIY kit, build it yourself, and save some money, or you can buy a fully assembled version like the one shown in this video. Overall, the Piglet looks like a really nice little portable Wardriver. It's compact, easy to carry, has dual band Wi-Fi scanning, GPS logging, mesh support, and packs a lot of features into a very small device. Midwest Gadgets also makes a bunch of different field visualizers and generators that I use to demonstrate and make invisible signals easier to understand. This one is their 13.56 MHz Field Visualizer. It detects the electromagnetic field produced by NFC and RFID readers and lights up when it gets close to the signal. This lets you physically see where the field is located, how strong it is, and where the best reading area is. It's a simple little tool, but it's great for demonstrations, testing readers, and learning how NFC and RFID fields actually behave. To demonstrate the visualizer, I'm also using Midwest Gadgets' 13.56 MHz field generator. This small battery-powered device produces the same type of high-frequency field used by NFC systems. When I bring the visualizer close to it, the LEDs light up, allowing us to actually see where the invisible field is being generated and how its strength changes with distance. I'm also using their Field Meter Pro, which takes the demonstration a step further by giving us an actual reading of the field strength. It has both an analog and a digital display, making it easier to see weaker, faster signals and compare how the field changes as I move the devices closer or farther apart. Shout out to Hamspice for sending over the gear I showed in this video. I really appreciate everything he does for the community, along with the work Midwest Gadgets puts into donations, community projects, and creating educational tools that help make the unseen visible. They have a lot more available on their website, including different field meters, visualizers, field generators, NFC antennas and extenders, development boards, Flipper Zero accessories, RFID tools, and even compact Wardriving devices like the Piglet. So definitely check out Midwest Gadgets and see what other unique tools they have available. Tools like these make it much easier to demonstrate how the technology around us actually works instead of only trying to explain something that we normally can't see. Thanks for watching, and remember, safety is an illusion.